When I was in school, I couldn't speak English well. I was shy and scared to speak in front of people. I thought English was very hard, but I always wanted to speak it fluently. I wanted to express myself clearly. I wanted to grow and learn new things, so I decided to start learning English. I didn't know where to start, but I didn't let that stop me. I began with small steps. I picked up a simple English book and started reading one page every day. I looked up new words and wrote them in a notebook. I used those words in simple sentences, and slowly I started to understand more. At the same time, I watched English videos on YouTube. I used subtitles to help me follow along. I listened carefully and repeated the sentences aloud. In the beginning, I felt nervous and unsure, and I made a lot of mistakes. I couldn't pronounce some words correctly, but I didn't stop. I kept practicing every day. I spoke to myself in front of a mirror, practicing simple conversations like, "How are you?" or "What are you doing?" It felt awkward at first, but I kept at it. I also started watching cartoons in English. They were simple and fun to understand. I learned basic grammar and tried not to worry about being perfect. I just focused on improving little by little every day. As time passed, I started writing about my day in English. Simple sentences like, I woke up, I brushed my teeth, and I went to school. Writing helped me remember new words, and it made me more confident in using them. I made a habit of writing every day, and soon it became my English friend. I also joined an online English group where I could talk with other learners. We helped each other, corrected each other's mistakes, and learned together. I asked many questions because I wasn't afraid to make mistakes anymore. Everyone in the group was learning just like me, and that gave me confidence. I knew I was not alone in this journey. Some days, it felt hard. I felt like quitting, but I remembered my goal. I wanted to speak English fluently and confidently. So, I kept going, even when it was difficult. I kept practicing, one step at a time, one sentence at a time. After a few months, I started noticing the change. I could speak more clearly. I could understand movies without subtitles. I could write longer paragraphs. My friends noticed the change in me, and they asked, How did you do it? I simply said, I practiced every day, and I never gave up. I made English a part of my life. Now, I want to share with you 5 personal tips that helped me learn English. First, listen more. Listen to English every day, whether it's songs, videos, or podcasts. Just listen and enjoy the language. Second, read simple books. Start with easy storybooks or comics. Read aloud to improve your pronunciation. Third, speak to yourself. Practice in front of a mirror or record yourself. Speaking is important, even if you're just talking to yourself. Fourth, write every day. It doesn't matter if it's just a few sentences. Write about anything. And finally, never stop learning. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are a part of the process. Even native speakers make mistakes, but they keep speaking, and so should you. Fluency doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, practice, and patience. If I can do it, so can you. Believe in yourself, keep practicing, and never give up. English will become your friend, and you will be able to speak it with confidence. Thank you.